Finding a meeting room should be easy, but if you've ever wandered the hallways of your office looking for that meeting you're supposed to be in, or worse, tried to find an open room for your impromptu meeting, it can often feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. Introducing Logitech Tap Scheduler, a purpose-built scheduling panel designed to be mounted outside the meeting room. Tap Scheduler signals room availability from a distance, helps people get to the right room at the right time, and works with any meeting space. Just like Logitech's other room devices, Tap Scheduler is simple to install, built to last, and compatible with multiple platforms. In just a few simple steps, Tap Scheduler can be configured as a Microsoft Teams panel, Zoom room scheduling display, and it's compatible with Meetio and Robin. The red or green LED lighting lets you quickly and easily locate the right room at a distance. See room details on the spacious 10.1-inch screen, like the room name, upcoming meetings, and especially to confirm if it's the room you booked. To book a room you like for future meetings, you can browse the room schedule to see if it's available for your scheduled meeting. Inside the box, you'll find the touch panel, a multi-surface mount, a mount bridge and cover, a mullion mount bracket, and various screws, tools, and adhesive strips. Tap Scheduler can be set up easily in just a few simple steps. Select your region, time zone, and language, connect to the network and get any critical updates, then choose the supported platform provider. The included mounts, brackets, and other accessories allow you to install Tap Scheduler to any meeting space in a variety of configurations. Use the mullion mount for steel or aluminum frames. Use the wall mount and adhesive strips to attach Tap Scheduler to glass surfaces. Use the wall mount and the included screws to mount it just about anywhere else. The included mounts allow for the cable to be routed up, down, or through the side of the frame to keep it hidden away, clean, and protected. Tap Scheduler is purpose-built for easy viewing and usability. By installing Tap Scheduler to a variety of meeting spaces, workers can quickly and easily find an available room, claim the space for their meeting, and get back to collaborating with colleagues. No more needles and haystacks. Be at the right place at the right time with Tap Scheduler.